The Doodle Scrub EBG-9 floor preparation machine works great in small confined areas. The Doodle Scrub comes in corded and battery-powered models. The corded model has a 30-foot power cord, and the battery-powered model, the Bat Scrub, has about a 45-minute constant runtime and about a 2-hour charge time. Here's the proper steps to follow when using the Doodle Scrub. In this example, it will be used for cleaning the tile and grout in a bathroom. First, remove the driver pad from the grip face and place the Doodle Scrub on top of the blue 3D scrub pad. Next, pour water on the area you wish to clean. Then, you can plug in the Doodle Scrub and begin cleaning. If you're using the Bat Scrub, make certain that you unplug the charger. To operate the Doodle Scrub, squeeze the trigger at the opposite end of the handle. The Doodle Scrub can easily clean floors under urinals, around toilets, stalls, and many other hard-to-reach areas. Leftover soap residue from mopping will cause it to suds up just by applying water. Here's how the 3D scrub pad works on the Doodle Scrub. Buildup of biofilm and grout lines can be removed by the Doodle Scrub by just adding a little water. The Doodle Scrub, while operating at 4100 RPM, digs out the hard-to-reach dirt and grime. Clean up with a mop, rags, or wet vac and allow to dry. Another floor type the 3D scrub pad works well on is the LVT. Just add water and operate the Doodle Scrub and 3D scrub pad at a steady pace. Clean up using a shop vac with a squeegee works best. The Doodle Scrub with the 3D scrub pad works great at cleaning concrete as well. Just add water. Scrub away the buildup of dirt and grime. And rinse away with water. Remember to wash out the 3D scrub pad for later use. The Doodle Scrub can also dry strip floors with a SQP pad. You must use a driver pad with this pad to protect the grip face. Just place the Doodle Scrub on top of the driver pad and then the SQP pad underneath. The Doodle Scrub can get into tight areas the big machines can't. Using a SHO pad, the Doodle Scrub can also wet strip floors as well. Also, be certain to use a driver pad with the SHO pad. Here are a few more things to know before operating the Doodle Scrub. The Bat Scrub comes with a charger that you plug into the handle to charge the battery. It also has a battery meter located on the side of the machine. On the handle of the Doodle Scrub, there is a clip with a wing nut used to connect to the base of the machine. The clip can attach to two different places, on the side and on the end. Tighten the wing nut at the base of the clip to securely attach the handle. The cord coming from the handle plugs into the base of the machine. After using the Doodle Scrub, remove the pad and replace it with the driver pad for storing. Always remember to keep a pad underneath the grip face to prevent damage. Wipe down the Doodle Scrub with a damp microfiber cloth, and then clean out any debris in the space above the base plate.